welcome back to my channel. In this episode I am going to make another flavor of my pie series, which is mince and cheese pies or mince and cheese party pies. Let's start cooking. I will have all the ingredients available on the side of the screen as well as in the description box, so please check it out. To the pan I will add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. That's about it. Next I'll be adding butter. When the butter is melting I will add our onions, to add our garlic and our flour. Add about 400 grams of beef mince or pork mince. I don't have beef mince, so I'm using pork mince. We will add our mixed herbs, tomato paste, pepper, our beef stock. So our gravy has been boiling for a few minutes. It's a little bit watery, so I'm going to add cornflour, mix it with some water and then add it to our gravy just to thicken up a little bit. That's about 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Just mix it with a little bit of water. So that's about the thickness I want. Let's give it a taste to see if it's salty enough, if I need to add more salt. I think I just need to add a tiny little bit of salt, not too much, and a dash of black pepper as well. That's it. Give it a stir. Give it 1 more minute to boil, and we will turn it off and cool it down completely, and our gravy will thicken up as well more, and then we will assemble our pies. Okay, so I'm using shortcrust pastry from the shop for our pies, and then I'm also using puff pastry for the top. Pastry in each of these squares, just like that. I'm just going to leave it like that, so I'll do the rest and then I'll show you more when I finish. So I have put pastry in all of our 12 squares. Don't worry about how messy it looks. We will add the top layer of pastry after we add the mince, and we will clean it up a bit better. Okay, so just have some steam holes in each of the squares. And we're going to add our gravy. Don't overfill your pies because it will heat up in the oven, and if you overfill it, it will burst. So just fill it probably 3/4 full, and then you add your cheese on top. just wet the edges of your squares. Now of the squares, just to hold, connect those two pastries together. And I'm just going to go with my knife and clean up the edges. Some more steam holes on top. Go ahead with your egg wash and just make the top. In the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes, but we will also check them in case they burnt. Put it in the oven now. We've got our pies done, our mini square mince and cheese pies. Okay, so this roll will taste it for us. Still.
Tastes cheese good. I haven't tasted it yet.
You see the cheese inside?
Yeah.
No, I'll taste some flavor.
It tastes good. So you said the cheese or the mashed potato?
The cheese.
Oh, it tastes really good. You should try Mom's recipe. It's very nice. Thanks.
Well, that's our mince and cheese pies for you, everyone. One of my pie flavor for my pie series. Hope you enjoy and thank you for cooking with me. Take care. Thanks for watching.